Hi guys! Welcome back to our channel, and once again we have a new vlog right here, and this vlog is somewhat different from our different vlogs and videos. And guess what we're gonna do is right now we're gonna try to perform an unboxing. Right, so this unboxing, I'm gonna try to unbox a phone, and this phone is a budget gaming phone, right? And this phone is also purchased by my brother-in-law. Alright, so we're gonna try to check this one out. So stay with me and let's check out what's inside the box of this phone. So without further ado, let me introduce to you it is the Realme 6 Pro, right? So as you can see, it has a yellow box. So it is a budget phone for a mid-ranger. Why? Because for the price point, it is only 16,990. Alright, so the basic specification for it, it has already 8GB RAM and an internal memory storage of 128GB. So you can store a lot, you can do a lot on it. And based from the others, or based from the specification, it has 64 megapixel quad camera. So it has 4 cameras, right? And it also has 4,300 mAh battery. So used for brain gaming, of course. And it has also a dual lens front cam, so best for selfies. And also one of the few phones that has a Snapdragon 720G processor. That's rocking. Alright. So as you can see, the box is yellow, so we're gonna try to open it. Alright. Pop it out. So first cover it out. Alright, so the first thing you will see here is like a welcome note. Alright. It says here, as you can see, welcome to the Realme family. I hope you can read that one. So it's a good welcome note because it's nice. Oh, there's another note at the back. There it is. It says here, let's embrace a new journey. Nice though. So what's inside of this small box is a jelly case and of the warranty card here. It's a jelly case. So jelly case is also important for you to protect your phone, to avoid the scratches. Okay. So here's the phone. Right. So here's the phone. As you can see, it has a dual lens. Right, and at the back, see the color? It's super cool blue, right? And inside the box is, you have here a big charger. It is a 30 watts charger. 30 watts charger. So it's a big charger, 30 watts charger right here. So that you'll be able to achieve the fast charging. Nice. And other one is the Type-C cable. So this is Type-C cable, and this Type-C cable is somewhat thicker compared to others, as I can see. And what else? It's the pin ejector. It's used for you to insert the same memory card to your phone. Alright, so basically that's what's inside the box of this Realme. So when you purchase this specific phone, it includes, or some stores give you some freebies. For example, my brother-in-law purchased this one and he received 2 freebies. Here's it. First is the earphones, of course, this is important, and a power bank. So for the price of $69.90, you can have freebies as well. Not bad for its price. So I'm just gonna have to try to check it out. I'm gonna turn it on. Let's see, it's slick, right? Very thin. It's not that heavy, but it's nice. Right. So once you open it or unlock it, you will see this one. This is the screen. Alright, so this is the interface, and it says that it is already using Android 10. So it's this is the interface, so that you can also see it. Right. Alright, so basically that's what's inside of this box and this phone. And I think for the next vlog, we will try to further check what this phone can do. Alright? Once again, thank you so much for watching this one, and hope you enjoyed this one. Watch out for the next one. Bye!